how you can use Starlink without the Starlink router. I have here a Sophos XGS Firewall and I will show you how to set up the Starlink interface on your firewall. First you need to go to network settings. I have two WAN ports here. This WAN port is the LTE for internet connection backup. The second one is on port 4 is the Starlink interface. So on port 4 you set up the DHCP. After that you will get an IP address from the Starlink network, and for that it's done. Next you need to go to routing. Here you need to add a static route. So I was made it before. You need to set up the network 192.168.100.0. No gateway interface, select port 4, save it, and you're good to go. That's it. After that you can reach the Starlink network. One thing, in my case I have two internet connections, so under the routing settings I need to go to the WAN policy, and I need to go to gateways, select space X, and there I need to edit the ping section because if the Starlink interface is not reach the Google DNS, the firewall will set up the backup internet connection. So that's it. Save it and you are good to go. We are on the Starlink page and we can use the statistics, and the internet is now working through the Sophos firewall. Thank you for watching. See you next time.